Here we have PFG's beach cleaner balena, which has a hydraulic device for the loading and unloading of garbage. It is the biggest machine in the range. It has rear enlargements to cover the tractor tracks where necessary, and as an optional, a lateral wheel kit can be adapted to regulate the working depth. The balena, which must be pulled by a 60 horsepower tractor, is easy to adapt using the lifter, the cardan shaft and the 3-point linkage that adjusts the working depth. Connecting the machine to the tractor is quick and easy, and this is when the hydraulic hoses for the collecting system must also be connected. The balena operates with a reel width of 160 centimeters and a working depth of from 0 to 15 centimeters. The operating capacity is about 20,000 square meters per hour. The loading of the sand and rubble is carried out by means of a nylon spatula kit that loads the sand into a net frame as wide as the machine and 80 centimeters high, which functions as a sifter. Here the sand and rubble are carried upwards so they can be unloaded into a sifter, like the one above, whose transversal movement quickly transfers the rubble to the rear collector basket. The standard equipment includes 2 different size sifters for different sand conditions and different cleaning needs. The balena can be used when there are medium-sized rocks and it is able to collect a large variety of objects. The machine allows the sand to oxygenate, producing a soft velvet-like beach. It is equipped with a clutch system to disengage the transmission in case of an extra load as a result of an excessive working depth or load, such as pieces of rubble that are too big or too heavy. The balena can also operate along the waterline, and besides being extremely easy to use, it is also very reliable. Maintenance is minimal, some greasing and periodical washings with fresh water, as the structure is an iron frame and the parts most subject to wear and tear are hot galvanized and painted. When the rear collector basket is full, it can be lifted hydraulically from the driving position and unloaded into the bigger collector, the one on the upper part of the machine's structure.